What if I told you 90% of action cameras fail in extreme conditions? Dramatic pause. We drove over, drowned, and dropped 12 cameras to bring you the top 5 best action cameras in 2025 that survived everything. Pause. Before we reveal the winners, smash like, subscribe, and let's find your perfect adventure cam. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is among the most well-known models of action cameras thanks to its durable and full-featured reputation. This latest model features the same sensor as the Hero 11, which is the largest sensor in a GoPro yet. The large sensor makes it possible to crop video to vertical orientation without losing out on most of the scenes so that you can share your epic adventures on social media. And it allows you to change digital lenses for different perspectives. The camera specs of the Hero 12 remain largely the same as the Hero 11. It's capable of stunning 5.3K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, though now you can record HDR video at this highest quality. Or, you can get up to 240 frames per second at 2.7K if you want dramatic slow motion. The photo quality remains at 27 megapixels, and you'll still have access to time-lapse and night modes, including star trails and light painting. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 4. DJI built plenty of upgrades into the 4th iteration of its action camera, and it is ready for seriously epic adventures. It's waterproof down to 59 feet without special housing and features a color temperature sensor to automatically adjust the color of your video even if you are deep below the surface while scuba diving. Should you want to go even deeper, with a waterproof case, the camera can go to 210 feet. For activities on land, the camera can function as cold as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll be able to document even your freezing cold ski trips. It utilizes a unique magnetic quick-release plate that is convenient and easy to use. And you can mount the camera vertically, meaning no cropping is required in order to create social media-ready video. For vloggers, the live stream support at multiple resolutions is a huge benefit. Number 3. Insta360 X3. If you want truly immersive videos of your action adventures, you can't beat the Insta360 X3. This camera can record 360-degree video at up to 5.7K and 30 frames per second. Then, you can use either the Insta360 mobile or desktop apps to edit your video and reframe your shots how you want to showcase the best parts of each moment or show off the full 360-degree view at once. This action camera is highly versatile, thanks to the ability to use a single lens along with the dual lenses used for recording 360-degree video. You can either record selfie content with the rear lens or show off what's in front of you with the front-facing lens. And it features a handful of shooting modes, such as up to 8K 360-degree time-lapse and 4K slow motion. The 2.29-inch touchscreen makes it easy to adjust settings and see what you are recording. Number 4. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. For those who are extra concerned about wind resistance and drag, the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is the way to go. This camera is 13% smaller than the Hero 11 Black, making it more suitable for mounting on a motorcycle helmet, surfboard, or airplane. It also features mounting feet on the bottom and back of the camera, opening up more options for how you mount it. Despite the smaller size, the Hero 11 Mini gets many of the same features and specs as its big brother. It uses the same larger sensor, allowing for vertical videos, and is still capable of 5.3K 60p video with class-leading stabilization. Unfortunately, there is no photo mode on the Mini version. Instead, you'll have to rely on grabbing 24-megapixel stills from videos. Number 5. Insta360 GO 3. If the GoPro Hero 11 Mini isn't small enough for you, the Insta360 GO 3 is the smallest form factor that action cameras come in. It weighs just 1.3 ounces, which is light enough to put on your hat and barely notice. The tiny size makes it feasible to put in locations that you otherwise couldn't. This modular camera utilizes a unique magnetic mounting system that is fast and simple to use. And it comes with a few different mounting devices right in the box to get you started, including a magnet pendant and easy clip for wearing the camera on your person. The GO 3 tops out at 2.7K 30p video, which is the main disadvantage of this camera. But if you just want to capture memories or share your action adventures on social media, 2.7K is more than enough. So, which of these indestructible action cameras are you taking on your next adventure? Pause, drop a comment below. If this saved you from buying junk, do me a solid, hit like, share with your crew, and subscribe for more real-world gear tests. Pause, all purchase links, you know the drill, description below. Stay epic.